Old Jeffro on the backhoe. Burning some real estate up. And then a full bucket. Burning and burning.